Let's take a look at the 1808 Horning roller mill. This roller mill is available in many tooth configurations depending on your grain or what you're looking for. One example is we have 4 grooves an inch for corn or cattle. You want it very baby quarter pieces. 6 grooves an inch, one a little bit finer, or if you want to do small grains for chickens, or if you have a hobby that you need it smashed a little bit, the 10 grooves an inch does an excellent job. The 1808 comes standard with our roll adjustment system. You just need a wrench to adjust both rolls at one time. Let's take a quick look at what's under the shields here. Another feature the 1808 also offers is spring-loaded rolls. We don't always plan what we run through, rocks, whatever. That allows the rolls to open up and leave the product through with minimal damage that you can keep going. All 1808 models come standard with the motor pre-installed, a magnetic start and stop switch, and also the plug, ready to plug into your 110 volt and mill the day that it's arrived. The 1808 model comes standard with an adjustable lid on the top to adjust your flow. Makes it very convenient for trouble-free operation. The belt drive system on this side also, it's designed for the hobby farmer, but with the features of a heavy-duty mill that'll treat you for many years.